Let's consider the time periods for this next comparison. So in the 1970s, when Grease came out, it was post the collapse of the studio system. So when everything fell apart and you had the Paramount decrees and so on, it meant independent films were grossing higher and had far more appeal than these big studio productions. So there's an example of massive studio productions of Cleopatra failing in the box office, although being one of the most expensive films ever made. New name directors such as Spielberg and Scorsese were taking the industry by storm. They were becoming the new age of directing, and therefore people wanted different kinds of films. Now, Singin' in the Rain was sort of had a huge focus on the studio system and the MGM musical. And although this was also post-studio system, it still had a focus on it, the idea of the glory days of cinema. So it has a nostalgic look back at that, but also demonstrates the power those studios had over entertainment and why the Paramount decrees were necessary.